When you are about to build a family, when you are getting married, remember that you are building a organization. In that organization, you and your husband will be the head of the organization, and your kids will be your youngsters, your juniors. You have to guide them properly. You have to be with them. Family requires love, understanding, honesty, that is truth, sacrifice. So when you are starting a family, don't think that everything would be very rosy. This will be for 1 or 2 years, but once your hormones settle down, you will have to come back to the reality, and you have to take care of this organization by being honest, intelligent, wise and understanding. So, understand each other, what the person is saying. It applies for both of you, husband and wife. Without understanding, it's not going to work. Secondly, be ready to sacrifice. Sometimes what happens, things are not the way we want. So just learn to see the things how the other person is saying. Maybe he or she might be correct. So you have to just see things how they are, and if you think that your spouse or your partner is, what your partner is saying is correct, or what your juniors are saying is correct, just follow it. And secondly, third, be honest, be very truthful. The moment you start hiding things from your partner, what happened? The invisible wall is created between you two. As this invisible wall is created between you two, your organization starts splitting apart. That is not good for your organization. It will not grow this way. Be honest, be truthful, keep things right, and just speak the truth. Whatever is there, just speak openly to each other. That will help in building your organization, that is your family. Then comes your goal. Remember, for any organization to work, you need to have some goal. What's your goal? Have you ever thought about it? What's your goal as a family? Discuss it with your partner. Discuss it with your juniors. They are the part of your organization. They are the part of your unit. Talk to them and set your goal as a family. Then comes help each other grow. As a partner, as a head of the family, it's very important, it is essential that you help each other grow. This is what we human beings are here for. We are here to grow and evolve. If we are not growing, we are not learning, we are not evolving, we are not doing justice to ourselves and to the people who are living with us. So you must learn to grow yourself, to grow and to help each other grow as a unit. This is what we are supposed to do. All these 5 things, if you apply in any family, any unit, any organization, it's going to work superb. So take care of your family, and remember, family is an important unit of life. So take care of your family, just enjoy your family, grow with it, help each other grow, understand, love, and take care of yourself. Namaste. Good